I do not want to have to buy another AN line and fitting. Alright, what's going on everyone? Today we are going to be working on the oil cooler lines again. It's becoming a pain, but it is what it is. So yesterday I tried to just replace one of the lines. I thought one of the fittings was just loose. Turns out that was just not the case. So today we're just gonna replace all the lines. I ended up having to buy like 10 feet of lines. I did not want to have to do it, but I didn't really have another option, so here we are. Let's just get to it. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is what we're needing. This is what we're looking for right here. Let's see. Woo, baby. Let's get to work. So I finished reattaching one side of the lines, and I think I'm going to reroute these lines in a different way. Not a huge fan of how they were supposed to be run, so now that I have some more line, I think I'll get a little bit creative with it and try and run it in a safer way. Maybe I'll show you what I do, but let's go into the car. I just finished rerouting everything. I'll show you and give you a look at what I did. Sorry, Remnant Performance, you were right. That is the correct way to run the oil cooler lines. With the fittings I had, I didn't buy an extra one, so that was just gonna be the easiest way to do it. So let's just get this bad boy down on all fours and start it up and hope part 2 that it's fixed, because this is like going on the 20th hour of me dealing with oil. I'm kind of fed up with it, so let's get to it. Guess I should probably close the hood, huh? Let me go do that. So that will be that. She worked fine, no leaks. Next episode is going to be a good one. We're going over to someone's place that I think most of you guys are going to know. He's fairly popular on YouTube, especially in the Central Florida area. If you're curious what I'm talking about, make sure you hit like and subscribe so you get the update for when for the next video coming out. Peace. Enjoy.